This is Paul, and you're watching Made in Tokyo. Feel free to move around your mobile device, swipe around on your screen, or arrow keys to move around. Please consider supporting me by clicking on the subscribe button and turning on your notifications for more videos about Japan. Alright guys, let's go inside and have a look. Cat Café MoCHA. In Tokyo, where pet-friendly apartments are scarce, cat cafes give people a break from the stress of city life with some pet fun. For this, there's Cat Café MoCHA. Opened in 2015, Cat Café MoCHA in Ikebukuro lets you enjoy some time off with furry felines in the beautifully built space. Not only do they allow you to play with cats, it's a place where you can be with a lot of cats. There's at least 10 of them. To get there, it's just about a 3-minute walk from the west exit of JR Ikebukuro station. When you enter, you'll be asked to clean your hands with an alcohol spray and change into slippers from your shoes before entering the room with the cats. They also provide refreshments to the visitors with a soda fountain, which is called a drink bar here. That's where you can have all you can drink for 350 yen. Another cool thing about Cat Café MoCHA is that you can charge your mobile phone, and they also have a variety of forms of manga and magazines for you to choose. In short, basic prices are 200 yen to play with the cats for 10 minutes. It's 350 yen for the drink bar and all you can drink drinks. And if you wanted to stay the whole day, it's gonna cost you 2,400 yen for an all-day pass. One great way to be the center of focus is to offer some tasty treats to the cats. A small range of tasty foods are available every day for the cats beginning at 11 a.m. Be prepared for the cats to start competing for your attention. Now please note there are two kinds of treats. Each will cost you 500 yen. One that looks like a lollipop that the cats lick, which is the treat I am using at the beginning of the video, and the other kind that just looks like little wet pieces of tuna the size of cereal that you hand out, which I feed them later in the video. Stick around and watch me feed them both types of cat treats, so you can appreciate group feeding times. Cats eat their food in a nice little tidy row at 10:30 a.m. and 7:30 p.m. It's like staring at a cat parade. One more thing to note, the rules make it difficult to grab a cat with quick motions, and there is a minimum age to go inside the cafe. At Ikebukuro West, the minimum age to enter is 6 years and over. But you will be able to play with and stroke and pet the cats if the cats are comfortable with you. Challenge? Feel free to talk to the cafe staff. They're doing a great job at keeping the cafe tidy and the cats well cared for. Also note there are other locations too. Cat Café MoCHA is also located in Shibuya and Harajuku. Have you noticed now that this warm wooden interior is not only trendy, it's beautifully designed, serving like a sandbox for the cats. They have a lot of free rein here to sleep and to climb up over all the walls. There's even a cat staring at the window the whole time. See if you can find them up on the walls or on the window. Here's another idea for you. There's also free Wi-Fi for remote work or just watching a movie while hanging around with the cats. Enjoy! Here I am feeding the cat treats of the wet type, which is about the size of little cereal grains. Alright, that was a lot of information. Let's get some coffee. I'm Paul, your host. Don't forget to subscribe, comment if you like this video, and stay tuned for the next one. You could have been anywhere on the web. Thank you for watching Made in Tokyo. See you in the next one.